This is my favorite accessory on my camera that I use in my studio every day. Circular Polarizing filter is by far one of the greatest photo equipment purchases that I've done during my whole photography career. This filter is more than 10 years old now and I still use it. For sure it has like plenty of scratches on it and maybe I should buy myself a new one, but so far it has given me always the results I need. I have even bought myself those step-up rings for each lens I have, so that I would be able to attach this filter to any of my lenses that I use. And this way I can use only one filter. What is polarizing filter and what does it do exactly? It helps removing shiny reflections from my products. This little gadget is allowing me to remove some of those unwanted reflections from the products or even from the background. Or sometimes when I feel that some reflections are maybe too intense on my composition, then I can just subtly adjust them during the shoot and I can get much better results right out of the camera. This filter works so that if you add it to your lens, then you can rotate it in front of the lens. And when you are rotating it, then you see how reflections on your image start to change. Let me just show you quickly how it works in the real life, because it is a bit difficult to just explain it. So, this is what I see on my screen when I'm not using my filter. Can you see all the reflections and how intense they are in some places? For example, the edges of the bottle. They are getting quite gray and dull, or even underneath the bottle, the reflection on the table is quite strong. But now, look closely when I apply this filter. In order to get exactly the same lighting, I first need to either open the aperture or raise the power of the lights, as this filter is acting a little bit like sunglasses for the camera. Right now I will just open my aperture so I can do this quickly, and then I don't have to adjust any lights. Now that I have the kind of perfect light again, check out the live view when I rotate that filter in front of the camera. Can you see what happens? It is actually affecting my product and also the table, the whole composition. All the reflections can be adjusted by just rotating this filter. And now, once you have the results you want, then just click the button and you have a perfect shot. Or, if you want, you can even take several shots with different position of this filter and combine these images later on in the computer. There are so many options. What I have noticed over the years, this filter works most effectively on darker, glossy products, as there you can see those reflections always most intensively. You might not notice it that strongly on lighter and matte products, but the difference is still there. Internet is saying that this is used for glass and water mostly, but in some cases I have been able to even adjust my reflections on the matte background paper. When I have the paper background on the table and I shoot like 45-degree angle and I have the light in specific position on the opposite side, then I have been able to affect my light even then. When you are shooting products in your studio, then I really strongly recommend this little helper, as it can really level up your images. Try it out and let me know what do you think about this filter and if it has any use for you. I would love to hear about that. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you that one great tool out of many that I have here in my studio. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.